it's Suzanne. Hey, it's time to book the church. Yes, I found you a southern man. And hey, he's hot, hot, hot.
Oh, that sounds fantastic. You're worth every penny.
Actually, you haven't paid me yet.
Hello? Sorry, you're breaking up. Hello?
Hi, my name's Russell. I'm just a good old-fashioned southern bloke. Third generation on this block of land.
He's not hot, hot, hot. More like not.
My ideal woman would have to be a hard worker. Not afraid to get her hands dirty, you know, help around the farm a bit. Work in the shearing shed, chop a bit of wood, that sort of thing.
Why couldn't you give me an All Black? I mean, with a body like this, wouldn't it be such a waste on an old age pensioner?
Just keep watching.
Well, I reckon, what's the point of owning New Zealand's biggest sheep and beef farm and having all this money if you don't have that special lady in your life to share it with?
Did he just say he was rich?
Absolutely loaded.
Oh, Auntie, this farm is so beautiful. Oh, and those animals are so adorable.
Whatever. It'd be all right if you could fry up one of those flossies. I'm starving. Hey, how about we have some of those chicken? And then have babe for afternoon tea. Maybe it's not so bad, you know, living here after all. It's like I got my own smorgasbord. Now, where's the old geezer I'm supposed to be marrying for his money?
Oh, Auntie, here's Russell, your beloved.
I guess it's time to be kind to the elderly, eh?
Tala!
Oh, hi, Roger.
Well, rattle my dags, Tala, you're bloody beautiful.
Right back at you.
So you ready for a weekend on the farm then?
So, Rodney, what was that involve?
Ah, well, let's see. We can milk the cow at 4 a.m.
Oh, fine. She loves that.
Then we'll muck out the stables.
Yep, I can do that.
And then we can shear the sheep at 7.
Yeah, that's you, eh, Faye?
And at 8 o'clock, when we can go on...
Well, how about we just let Faye do all the work, and me and you go and have, you know, something to eat?
I'm going to have to watch you, aren't I?
Yeah. Remind me, after the wedding, we're going to kill him, but make it look like an accident, okay? Get away back! Get away back! To lift! Go lift! Take it way back, take it up, go up! Yeah, walk it, walk it! Sit. Hi, chicken! Hey, can you do me scrambled? You do me sunny side up, and you do me boiled, okay? Or you guys just do chicken?
I love you, Tala.
Oh, I love you too.
Do you know my favorite Samoan love song, Alisa?
No.
It's that one that goes, O ka lauhani, o lauhani fa'asilisi. I was trying to tell my Palangi friends about my favorite Samoan love song. And they say, what does that mean in English?
Yeah.
So I thought about it and I thought, oh, in English it means, oh, my darling. My greatest love of all.
Yeah.
You are like a corned beef. You see, Shakespeare said, shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Stevie Wonder, you are the sunshine of my life. A Samoan, you are my corned beef.
That's very clever. Very clever. Yeah. You see, the songwriter was trying to say that his wife is delicious. Because it's like my wife, she is the corned beef. And I am the king. You see, I am the protector. I can't do anything. and just like the corned beef, my wife, she's 99.9% fat-free.